This video is about the first big update for the S24 Ultra, and this update was just released. It's 746.5 megabytes in size and it's still One UI 6.1, and security patch level is February the 1st. And there's something in the changelog, but not much, unfortunately. So they are stating overall stability of function improved, security of your device has been improved. A software update can include, but is not limited to, device stability, further improvements, blah, blah, blah. So there's nothing much in the changelog, but when you dig a little deeper, then you find what's actually new, and this is what this video is about. And the first big thing, the first option they are introducing is they're fixing the vivid option in the display settings. So on Samsung phones you have natural and vivid display modes, and the vivid display mode is kind of a higher saturated color mode, and yeah, some like them, some prefer the natural color mode, but in the S24 phones there was not longer a big difference between natural color profile and vivid color profile, and now Samsung is fixing this bug, so you will have a more saturated screen now when choosing vivid. And additionally, they're also now introducing a vivid slider where you can adjust the amount of vividness in the settings, and you can see this in the screen recording I'm showing on the side. The rest is all related to camera, so they are making an already great smartphone camera even better. And here are the 9 fixes that Samsung introduced with the newest update. The first fix is for all S24 phones and is related to the high pixel mode and backlight situations, and Samsung is stating that they improved the image quality of such shots by increasing the brightness of the objects when they are backlit. Number 2, exclusive for the S24 Ultra, text clarity was improved when using high magnification mode, so using the zoom camera. Number 3, again exclusive for the S24 Ultra, image quality and clarity was improved when recording videos with the back cameras. Number 4, again exclusive for the S24 Ultra, in photo mode preview the brightness of dark areas was improved and also the sharpness of people. And number 5, for all S24 phones in food mode they increased the color intensity of objects shot in this mode. And number 6, this is related to night mode, and they enhanced night mode color by adjusting saturation and white balance. And number 7, the image quality has been improved when zooming in the gallery for DNG shots in Expert RAW. And number 8, they improved the display of fast moving subjects, again in a backlight situation. So I imagine this could mean less motion blur, so less shutter lag. This is in photo mode and also exclusive for the S24 Ultra. And the last fix, again exclusive for the S24 Ultra, they enhanced color reproduction and exposure of subjects shot in photo mode. And these were all the changes that Samsung introduced with the newest updates for the S24 smartphones. I'm especially looking forward to all the enhancements in the camera department. I think that's really great that they're working on the camera, because it makes an already excellent camera even better, and that's great to have. I will also try to fiddle around with the new Vividness option and see if I find a setting that I like, because right now there is no difference between natural and vivid, so doesn't matter what you change in the settings. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in one of my next videos. Until then, take care and bye.